Okay, today we will be making some kind of an origami. And it's related to a bird.
Related to bird lovers.
Yeah. Did anyone ask you?
No.
Well,
Just speech. Just speech.
no, I'm not doing a speech.
Just
Whatever.
talk.
So we're doing an origami paper. Parrot!
Oh, parrot.
Origami paper, how can we make it?
Because
Origami.
it's made for us.
Origami paper bird. I mean parrot bird. Let's get started. Okay, so first you're gonna need a paper.
Square paper.
Yeah. So it's like this, a square paper. I chose green.
I choose yellow.
Okay, so should we start?
Yes.
Okay, so first step, fold it
Diagonally.
diagonally in half. Then open it up. Now do the other side.
Oh, I know that a trick. But I'll
Okay, just do whatever trick you know. Okay, we're gonna do it the best way possible. And just kind of line it up perfectly. Perfection is everything.
Yeah, if you don't get perfectly.
Now open it up so you get like a cross. Now you fold it in half. Just like that. Now you fold it in another half. So you get a square again.
Square. Square into square equals to square.
So you get something like this. A plus with the cross.
Oh, I have made that.
Okay, now what we do is super simple. We kind of do just like this. We just, I don't know how to explain it, but if you see here, is that you're gonna reverse fold a crease. I'm gonna take the middle crease. This is how it bends normally. So I'm just gonna reverse it. Just like this. Woohoo!
To get like this.
Just like that.
And
Now
to
comes
make-
the tricky part. You just want to make the both ends meet just like that. We'll
If
try
you
it.
don't get, you should try in the other side, right?
Not really.
Yes, really?
So you have to get this kind of like, I don't know how many of you know, but paper cranes, you do like this. You can see you get kind of like that. 1, 2, 3, 4 points. Just like that.
Yeah, like this, right?
Yeah, like that. Now what you do is kind of simple. So what you do is find the middle crease,
Middle thing.
the closing point on top,
Closing point on top.
and just do this.
Yes, closing point here. Keep like this.
Look, just keep like that.
Like this.
Yeah, and just, kind of fold this crease into the middle crease. I mean, this edge onto the middle crease. How are you doing?
Great.
Okay.
How are you doing, guys?
Wonderful, I think.
Yeah, me too.
Are you done with doing like that?
I'm so slow.
Why?
Because I'm a turtle.
Okay, so it's a little kind of fast.
Really?
Yeah, snails are slow.
Oh.
Okay, now turn it up
Up.
and
There
just
comes
repeat.
up. It should be up every time, right? The
Yeah, and repeat all the way.
Great. What the confidence?
Not coincidence, coincidence.
Coincidence.
Okay, once you're done with this, there's an extra step added, right?
Yeah.
I think you don't know anything about this
I know,
extra
but
step.
I think we should
Yeah.
take that.
You just take this fold and just take this kind of like a flap.
Which one?
This one on the top and fold it. Just like that. Nice and strong.
Okay.
Now open it up. Open all of the things up. Everything.
Okay.
So you get something like this. Kind of make like a compass shape. Like that compass. Now you fold it. And just. Now if you see in a perspective of a square, you just fold it diagonally. Just like this. Now this step requires a little bit of cutting. There's a box over here, right? You see there's a box.
Cutting. What can we do with cutting on this?
Okay.
Are we going to cut these?
No. This is here. As you guys can see, there's a box.
Oh, it's
that.
like a mailbox.
Yeah, I know. And there's a middle crease. You just want to focus on the middle crease and cut like following.
I think so here.
Yeah. It's your turn.
My turn.
Yep. Now we don't need a scissor anymore.
Throw it away.
No. Now open it up and remember the fold we made before? Yeah, this fold. Who remembers?
Me.
No, not you. Just everyone else. Yeah, okay.
Oh.
So now you get, when you fold it, you may get like this, where you can't move, but you have to get it like this. If you get it like this, you can't move, just kind of gently move this, like that.
I got it.
Like that. It moves nicely. And now what you do,
Okay.
you just, again, fold it like this.
Repeat the process.
Yeah, kind of. Now open it up.
Again.
As you can see here, there's a crease line, right? You're gonna take that as a base, fold it. Yeah, it's kind of tricky, but just don't worry, it's easy. No problem.
Should we take this one also?
Yeah. Just like that, okay? And just kind of flatten that down.
Hold it and flatten down, or it will not come properly.
Who asked you, Mr. Shit.
Of course you.
Whatever. You have to just do it like this. It's kind of funny, right? How are you doing?
Very great.
I think you're more like crumbling up the paper.
No.
Now flip it over, yo.
Okay.
Now just repeat the process.
Oh, what a coincidence.
Coincidence is not how you say it. It's coincidence.
Coincidence, right?
Yes. More.
All that.
To flatten that down. La, la, la. Just like this.
Oh, why did I want to do like that again? Okay. Hold that like that, right?
Yeah. Should I help you?
Yeah.
Just throw that in.
Ooh.
Just saying like you never knew this step was there, huh?
Yeah. Oh, look.
I know, just don't worry about that. Now, what you're gonna do is concentrate very much. Just take one flap and fold it downwards, just like that.
Oh.
Now you get this movable flap. Now as you can see, there's a pocket over here. So you just leave your hand in it and push it down. So this point meets over here.
And like this?
Show me? Yeah. And repeat over here.
And I think I know it already.
Yeah.
Oh.
So you get something like this. As you can see,
I need some help.
Okay, whatever. Guys, don't know what we're gonna do with these.
But you need a lot of practice, guys, so you can get it perfectly.
Yeah. So, do you know which part are these used for?
Maybe for... It's B.
Wrong.
Well, it can't be 2.
Yeah, it's alright, okay?
Okay, then let's don't lose
It's a riddle for you guys. Find it out.
in the comments.
Now what you do, of course you're gonna find it out later.
Yeah.
Now what you're gonna do is kind of similar to what you did over here. You just keep yours like this.
Like this. Oh, you're holding like this.
No, yeah, just like that. Now,
Okay, take the down.
what you do is just push it down like that.
Oh, we did that the first step.
Yeah, remember.
Yeah, I'm a good remember.
Uh,
Oh, I don't know.
You're a great forgetter. Now repeat over here before we go to the next step, of course.
Okay, can I see how you're making? You kept like this, and you're doing like this, right?
Whatever position is comfortable for you guys, do that because there's no specific position.
We should do.
Yeah.
Should be like that. I'm gonna be angry at you.
What did I do? The origami is just like that.
Okay, done.
Now you open up these both flaps. Beep. And likewise, hold the tip firmly down, lift it up, and flatten it down. Like,
Oh,
you know.
like this.
Yeah,
What
like
we
the
did
step.
for here.
What we did over here. You kind of found the body.
Yeah.
Just like that, flatten it down. I know, guys, you won't get it perfect.
And we also
No one
did
gets it perfect. Like, you know, if
Even
you practice it over and over and over.
Practice makes a man perfect.
Not
man
only a man.
Man or woman, I don't know.
Now,
I'm going to take
Now-
the flap.
now,
Okay.
just take the flap over here.
This flap.
This flap, and just put it down. Like that.
Like this.
Yeah. Now, you repeat over here. Open the flaps, hold it firmly, open this up, and just kind of flatten down, down. Just like that.
Holy moly, and I got it.
Whoa, what's that? Holy moly. Now, just push
Do the
the,
repeat.
yeah, just push that, just like that.
And we
Now-
get like this neat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, there'll be 3 flaps on one side
I got only 3 flaps at one side, okay?
and 1 flap on one side.
Okay, we should. The one
Now
flap
just rotate it, just flip it up, and the 1 flap should be facing down like that.
is down.
Yeah, facing you. And now what you're going to do is kind of complicated. Just take this line you can see and line it up over here.
Oh, okay.
Like that. It's kind of like a folding. Just like that. No hurry berries.
How we should be patient, I think so. And I'm a hurry. Thank you for helping.
Now, mirror it.
Mirror, hello mirror. To see my face in it.
Okay, stop talking.
I'm telling to not you. I'm telling to the guys who are watching.
Whatever. Now you kind of get like this, like a sword. Ninja sword.
Like how?
Like this, yeah. I like to stop. Now flip it again. And now you just take these little flaps and do it this.
Oh, it came like a heart.
Yeah.
Beep.
Now again, rotate it.
So bad. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, done.
Now what you do, there'll be 2 flaps right like this.
Wait, let me keep like you.
There'll be 1 flap in the middle which you don't want to touch. Just kind of line this up like that.
Or we should take this and fold it.
Just you have to keep it like this.
Okay.
And then kind of do like that.
A little tricky.
Yeah, kind of just. No, you're doing a blindfold. Just blindfolded fold.
Okay, like this, right?
Yeah, just like that. So these kind of poke out.
Oh, look at that funny.
Okay, now you keep it like this and fold it in half.
Oh,
Now
it's
you
just like this for me.
no.
Oh, there.
Now you guys remember. Now you guys know what is this amazing stuff for? Right? Wonderful. Nicely flattened that down. Now, how can a beautiful parrot fly without its amazing, beautiful wings? Right?
Yeah, that's the question.
So I'm here to help it fly. Yeah, right?
Yeah.
That's the baddest joke I have ever made.
Yeah.
My whole entire life. Always I'm a very bad joker.
Oh, no.
You know, right?
Yeah. Just stop talking and tell me what to do next.
Wait a minute.
Okay. I'm trying to do like you. But you're not waiting for me.
Okay.
Like this, right? We should get like this.
We should just,
This one?
these foldings should be out and these
Like
ugly parts, as you can see, it should be in like that.
Like this, right?
Show me? Yeah. Just fold it.
Fold it.
So you get like this. Now you get 3 flaps.
1, 2, 3.
This is gonna be the head. The middle layer is gonna be the head. Okay?
Okay.
And these are gonna be the wings. Now what you do, see this crease over here, right? I mean the
this one.
line. Just fold it.
Like this, right? Like
Yeah,
this.
open it up.
Okay.
Now see over here. The
Wait.
back there's a pocket.
Yeah.
Back there's a pocket, right?
Yeah.
Now what you do, just simply hold it like this.
Okay.
Now push it backwards.
Like.
No. Like, hold it like that and just push it like this. Okay? Now repeat on this. Now just be over here. Fold it like this. Then you
You
open
read
it
it
up.
fold like that?
Yes, if you want a perfect wing.
I'm doing it. Yeah. Oh. Why is this much gap there?
Just do it perfectly.
There. Now take the
No. Yeah. That's not only. Just take this one.
and hold here
Yeah.
and push that there.
No, you're doing it again. Look. You're gonna take this as the base.
Okay.
Just
Oh, is it the wings?
yeah, you just know when you were just asking me.
Yeah, because I like to ask everyone questions.
Hmm.
But any one question and I'll keep thinking on it.
Okay, whatever. Just
Wait, how? Okay, like this, right?
yeah. Now you'll see a flap over here on the wing, right?
Which food?
No, not that. Look,
Okay.
just like this.
Oh, this one.
No, this one.
Yeah, this one.
You just fold it in. You're gonna do some shaping on the wings.
Like this.
Yeah. Now you do it over here.
The other side.
Yeah, this time it's gonna be hidden under the
Oh.
body.
It's not coming in this side.
What? Hey, mister, who's gonna do here?
Oh. I keep forgetting everything.
Now do it over here. Just like that. Over
Do you
here.
do for me?
Why? Are you lazy?
I forgot where to do.
Just like that. I'll show you guys once more. Like this.
Okay.
Like that.
Ooh, you're doing both sides.
Eh.
I thought only one side.
Now, what's important for a parrot?
Its tail.
Beak. Yeah, and the head, of course. See this line over here?
Yeah. All it did?
No, wrong. Just take this point as your base and form it. Look.
Which side?
Look.
Oh, this side, okay.
You know where these pointy things are at. Like that.
Like this.
No, you're doing it all wrong. Yeah, that's gonna be good. Now what you do? Do it now. Just reverse fold it.
Reverse fold it means
Just open it up and do it over back.
okay.
Now what you do, open up this part.
This part.
This part. What are you doing? Are you concentrating or sleeping?
I'm sleeping.
Okay, just push this part in and kind of close it up immediately.
Come on, close.
Show me.
And I got like this.
What are you doing? See this point?
I hate origami. Oh, sorry.
Okay, just look. Just look at
With
this.
that squeeze.
Yeah, like this.
You should put like this.
Now, this
look at
kind of
this
looks
thing.
very, it kind of looks very weird, right?
And very big.
Yeah, so what you're going to do is open up this part. We're opening up the head.
Oh.
Okay, now just take the point and make it meet over here.
Okay.
And then just kind of leave very, very little gap.
Okay.
Just like this.
Okay.
Now, are you just doing it?
Yes.
Now just close it up.
And we'll get like this. And it'll stand on us.
No, why are you so in a hurry?
Because I love hurry.
Just stop talking. Okay, now we made a beak. Now, normally parrots' beaks are very kind of curvish, so we'll make it curve like this.
Oh. Curvish.
Like that. What are you doing?
Use it like that.
This is how you do it.
Oh.
Now, we're gonna do the legs. Like a hook. Take this part, push, like the beak. Remember how we did the beak? You wanna do it right here. Leave a decent amount of gap.
Take that.
Yeah.
Like
Now do it over here too, guys.
like this.
Okay. Yeah, you just did it correctly, but do it smaller, okay? Just like that.
Okay. Most of the part you are only doing for me.
I know you. Now look how amazing that is.
And look.
Look at it.
How did it stand?
OMG, that looks amazing. Okay, should we draw eyes for it? I have a pencil right near me. Let me draw cute eyes. For are you gonna draw eyes?
Yeah. Hey.
Was your parrot?
Let's keep falling.
So you guys have to train it up. Let's see it with me, guys. Wait. Look how that is my beautiful pet parrot.
Let me do it. Which finger did you keep? This finger. Like how?
Show me your finger. Okay. There you go. It's kind of fading, right? Like a real parrot would do.
Ooh.
I just kind of modify your thing.
I'll see it.
Don't come so close. It'll, bite you.
Bite me.
Yeah, because you're so terror-free.
Terror-free.
Terrifying.
Really am I?
Look.
I give you one of my parrot.
Look at that. My favorite. It's my favorite so far.
How did you did you hold it?
Okay, the pencil is too thin. Show me your hands. Just like that. There.
Ooh.
Look how cool that is.
Oh. Come on, parrot. Don't do
Yeah.
comedies.
Yeah. The front kind of looks weird because, it's kind of like this. You can glue it together if you want it to be good. But origami is
But why are the wings together?
What?
Nothing.
It's on sitting. Why is the wing should be flying while it's sitting?
No.
Then look at it, just hung. Look, no magic, no thread. Are just teeth. You have to train your parrot. Your parrot's naughty.
And just we can. Yours is naughty.
You just don't know how to keep it. Give me your hand. Show me your hand. Your hand is just too small. Show me a bigger finger. Let me make it.
It's my biggest finger ever.
Okay, let's see if it is true.
Okay, keep here.
There.
Oh!
Oh my
I'm
god.
so angry at the
So you guys can adjust the claws as you want.
Yes.
Because this claw just needs to hang on some surfaces. This is gonna be perfect on a pencil.
Where should I keep it?
Maybe on your laptop, on your desktop.
Oh, I'll wait. Yes.
Don't throw it down! Show me your finger. No.
No,
This
finger,
one.
This finger's only good.
Yes.
This finger's only good.
There. Oh my gosh. Look at that.
2 parrots came to our home.
Yeah. That looks just amazing.
How does it make noise? You don't know.
Okay guys, hope you love this video.
I'm not gonna keep the eyes. Can you keep me?
Just stop it. Okay guys, hope you like this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to Fun Time.